that, but after how we started, especially the first, I would say, 25 minutes, the last 15 minutes, medyo nag-relax kami. And I guess the quarter scoring says it all. Our offense only producing 14 points, and then allowing them to score 21, which was their highest in the game of fourth quarter. So that's something that we will definitely.
Thank you. With you had 11 points, 13 rebounds, 1 assist, and plus 2. So, what can you say about your team's performance right now?
I think that we've just been trying to get better